how to exclude mobile apps in a Google Ads display campaign. So what you do first, you log into Google Ads and you click on display campaigns over here in the left hand column, and then you simply click on campaigns, and you'll get to see all the display campaigns. And I'm now going to select the campaign which is over here, and then what you want to do, you want to click on content, and Google does really hide these options away. So you click on content, then you click on exclusions, and then you simply click on this pencil symbol which says exclude topics, and then you want to choose edit ad group targeting, and then you simply select your ad group. Right, you ultimately come onto this screen here, eventually come onto the screen here, click on add targeting signals, and then click on placements. As you can see, a lot of clicks, and then simply click on excluded placements. At the moment it's saying 0, so you click on the pencil symbol here, and then what you want to do is you want to click on this option here saying app categories. If you don't see this, make sure that you've got this campaign selected. So you click on app categories, and it's showing you there's 141 categories for apps. Now, first thing you want to do, and two things here. First, you want to click on this option here which says Windows phone app. So you want to click on here, and then what you want to do is you want to click on here where it says App Store. In this, at the moment it's saying 84, so you want to click on here, and you want to exclude all of these, and there's 84 of them. So just go through them one by one, and surprise, surprise, there is no option for exclude all. So take your time on it, because ultimately you're going to be saving out on a lot of unnecessary clicks by excluding mobile apps from your Google Ads display campaign. Then you can click on the back button here, and you can see that everything now has been excluded from the App Store. But you can do the same with the Google Play Store here. There's 56 of them here. So let's do this. Check them over, make sure we haven't missed one out, and then simply click on done and click on save. Then you end up back on this screen again, and what you really need to do is you need to click on this option here where it says topic exclusions, and click on placement exclusions. And there you'll be able to see all the placements that have now been excluded from your Google Ads campaign. I hope you find that useful. So if you did, please follow for more, like and subscribe to the channel.